Save the planet by drinking beer. You know what's better than recycling? Reusing. Keep pop bottles out of our world's oceans by filling them again and again with delicious craft beer, kombucha, cocktails, or soda pop. Love the brew? Dabble in a little mixology? Want to share your awesome creations with friends? Of course you do. But what are your options? The Pop Tap Kit is the absolute cheapest and easiest way to get into the world of kegging. No more fumbling around with glass bottles that oxidize your beer while you're trying to get the cap on. Pop bottles are super durable, and just 5 bottles will hold an entire 5-gallon brew. The amazing design of the Pop T gives you the same functionality as a commercial corny keg, but without all the complicated tanks and hoses. Store the bottles anywhere and just chill the one that you're going to drink next. Love kombucha? Brew up a big 6-liter batch and try a different flavor in each bottle. Once it's off the SCOBY, you'll want to protect your booch and serve it up with CO2. Do you like it fizzy? Go ahead and turn up the regulator. Give it a shake.
Take it up, baby!
Like it really fizzy? You can add our optional SodaStream kit to save money on CO2. How about carbonated cocktails? Mix up a refreshing 2-liter batch of Aperol spritzers. Just combine 1 bottle of Aperol with 1 bottle of Prosecco, top off with soda water, cap it, snap it, and give it a shake. Mojitos, Tom Collins, vodka sodas are just as easy. Show up at the cabin with a cooler full of your homemade creations to share with friends. And if you really like the idea of a portable bar, you're only a few adapters away from turning the cooler into a full beverage station where folks can serve themselves. But don't forget the kids. Make them a Shirley Temple. When you're in control of the sugar, you can feel confident about just handing them the full bottle. Now your pop will stay nice and fizzy to the last drop. And hey, I get it. Sometimes even the most hardcore brewers just don't have time to brew. Sneak down to your favorite local brewery and pick up a 50-liter keg. You can hide it in the basement, in the closet, even under the sink. With a Sankey coupling and a direct fill kit, you can store the bottles you want to chill in the fridge upstairs. And if you're already Mr. Fancy Pants with your own kegerator, well, this kit's perfect for cleaning out the lines, making sure that your craft brew comes out of the tap tasting the way that you intended.